Kusina! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pia Besmonte at ito ang kusina ni Nenoy. Another product review video mga kakusina, and this time masasabi ko na isa ito sa mahahalaga or importanteng product na i-review ko sa channel na to because this could help a lot of people. It could be you, it could be your family, it could be your friends or mga kakilala nyo na naghahanap ng solution, improve your overall health condition, or if you have an existing na sakit, or boost your immune system. Before we start, kung ikaw ay hindi pa subscriber ng channel na to, be a certified kakusina by clicking on that subscribe button at i-click mo na rin yung tiny bell para every time that we upload new videos ay manonotify kayo. Konting disclaimer lang mga kakusina, this video is not sponsored and gusto lang namin i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga naging experiences namin and kung ano yung mga natutunan namin about this product. And I am talking about this, amazing pure organic barley from IAM. Alright, so few weeks ago dumating na tong order namin and we already tried using it, and before ko ibigay sa inyo yung product review, I just wanna make sure na nagamit ko na muna siya and na-experience ko first hand yung health or benefits ng paggamit ng produktong ito. Okay, so kapag umorder ka nitong isang box, okay, it contains 10 sachets. Ganito yung sachet niya. Yan. And ang gagawin mo lang ay yan. Titimpla nyo siya sa either warm or cold water. Wag mainit or wag hot kasi mamamatay yung kanyang mga enzymes. Ito ay powdered barley grass. Pure barley grass ito. Walang halong kaya very important na wag mainit na tubig ang gagamitin nyo. Okay, so ayan. Yan siya. Kita nyo. Okay. And then, ang kailangan nyo lang is to drink this 30 minutes before you eat anything. Okay? Perfect ito kung iinumin nyo 30 minutes before breakfast. So, pagkagising nyo on an empty stomach, inumin nyo na muna bago kayo kumain. Actually, wala naman siya masyadong lasa. So, lasa siyang plant, lasa siyang grass, powdered form. Pag uminom ka, lasang halaman. Pero, hindi masama yung lasa niya. This is awarded as one of the super brands and this is halal approved. Pwede ito kahit kanino. This product is, or the barley grass, ay nire-raise at minamanufacture mismo sa Australia. Bakit sa Australia? Bakit hindi anywhere? Because it is believed to be that yung soil sa Australia ay yun yung pinakamagandang soil na makikita at magandang pagtaniman ng barley para kung yung barley na kasi 'di ba sabi nga nila it's barley grass, it could be anything. Bakit kailangan etong product na to? Bakit kailangan dito mismo sa company na ito umorder? Kasi nga sila nagtatanim sila at nagma-manufacture sila sa Australia, which has the most suitable soil para makapag-develop ng magagandang klase ng barley grass. I am not the best person talaga to explain to you the lahat ng information about this product. I will include a link, video link below sa description box. This is a video of Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Explain niya dun lahat. Ang ganda ng video na yun kasi in-explain niya dun lahat kung bakit barley grass, kung ano bang nangyayari, kung bakit ito yung kailangan nating i-take instead of the synthetic na mga vitamins or synthetic na drugs over the counter and all that. Before ko i-share sa inyo ang aking overall review sa product na to, I will establish few points muna on why we need to take this product as early as possible. First, nasa period pa rin tayo ng pandemic. Aside from getting yourselves vaccinated, wearing face mask and face shield every time you go out, practicing social distancing, and not going out when it's not necessary, it is very important na palakasin ang immune system natin, palakasin ang resistensya against virus. Ito, rich ito in vitamins A and C, which act as antioxidant to fight free radicals sa katawan. So, ito yung lumalaban from us getting sick. Second ay, if you already have like an existing health condition or gusto nyong pagalingin, mamaya ibibigay ko sa inyo yung mga sakit or mga bagay na malaki ang benepisyo na makukuha from barley, and it is believed to be able to improve the condition of your health and cure those diseases. Third ay, kung meron kang family history ng mga diseases na ayaw mong mamana or gusto mong maiwasan, as early as now, we should, take care of ourselves and taking something to fight those history ng mga sakit. So, yun yung sa tingin kong tatlong importanteng mga bagay na kailangan natin i-consider para mag-decide to act as early as now. Okay? Kung sa tingin nyo, hindi nyo kaya mag-spend ng money on this product, kung sa tingin nyo additional gastos na naman ito, kung sa tingin nyo na wala kayong pang-budget para dito, isipin nyo na lang, what if you get sick? Panahon ngayon lalo na, magpapa-check up ka palang nakakatakot na kasi punuan ng mga hospital and hindi mo alam if baka doon ka pa makasagap ng sakit. Pangalawa, yung expenses pa rin ng pagpapa-hospital, pagpapa-check up. Tatlo, if kinukonsider mo nga na additional budget ito, what if magkasakit ka? Mas gugustuhin mo ba na gumastos at may sakit ka sa katawan mo or may masakit sa'yo kesa gumastos pero overall okay ang health condition mo? So those are the things that you have to think of for telling yourselves na ay mahal, ay additional sa budget, ay di ko kaya. Bakit nga ba barley? Alright. Well, it is said to be, according to research, na this is the form of grass or vegetation or food na kompleto sa vitamins, minerals, proteins, enzymes at chlorophyll, na yung limang yon kailangan nyo para maging balanse ang overall health condition nyo. Benefits or maitutulong ng barley sa katawan nyo. Right? It will fight against cancer, tumor formation, prostate cancer, diabetes, high blood, kidney diseases, disease, anemia, asthma, hepatitis, hypertension, insomnia, leukemia, cervical cancer, gallstone, bronchitis, cataract, cyst, goiter, stroke, kidney stones, constipation, low sperm count, arthritis, thyroid, muscular degeneration, mental tiredness, muscle and nerve pain, immune deficiency, vertigo, tuberculosis, liver problem, and migraine. Aniwang diseases na sa mga tao na sa tingin ko ilan sa mga nanonood sa inyo ay meron nito or gusto nyong maiwasan ito, okay? Ayan na, mag-take na kayo ng barley. Ano nga ba ang naitulong ng barley sa akin at sa aking mother na nag-take nito for few weeks? In-explain sa amin na as early as 3 days or 3rd day of taking it, ay makikita nyo na ang result. For me, constipated talaga ako. Ever since talaga, yun ang problema ko. So, nakatulong sa akin ng barley to lessen my constipation. And also yung tiredness. Although I am working from home, yard ang aking shift. And after that, pagkatapos ng shift ko, hindi naman pwedeng matulog agad-agad. Siyempre, I have to mag-asikaso dito sa bahay, take care ng mga anak. And in between, naggagawa ng mga vlogs. Yun, kailangan ko ng something na makakapagpalakas sa akin. Maaga ako na-diagnose ng arthritis and I noticed na hindi na ganoon kasakit ang mga joints, okay? Yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Alright. I have history of kidney stones. So, that's one thing na gusto kong maiwasan. Dun sa first few days of taking this, I really have to drink a lot of water kasi it will act as parang i-detox ka muna niya. Which is true, I noticed nga na doon sa mga first days, kumbaga na-detox talaga muna yung katawan ko. Aside from me, I mentioned earlier na si mother ay nag-take din ito and she has a degenerative disease. Recently, na-diagnose nga siya with sciatica. Yung kanyang hip or dito sa balakang pababa sa legs, gumagapang. Talagang few months ago, talagang iniinda niya, talagang masakit talaga, masakit na masakit. And dumating sa point na kailangan siyang ipa-therapy and magsuot siya ng braces dito sa pinasukatan siya and nagsusuot na siya ng braces. Now, yung therapy, ang hirap nga lalo na nung nag-ECQ, ang hirap lumabas ng senior. And nakakatakot din kasi if we're going to bring her sa hospital. Tapos sometimes naman, dahil nga may mga bagyo rin dumating and all, yung therapy doon sa rehabilitation para center ng hospital or yung kung saan pinagagawa yung therapy sessions, sila mismo nagka-cancel ng mga sessions. So, hindi nasusunod na kailangan at least twice or thrice a month nakakapagpa-therapy siya. Now, every time na kakamustahin siya, okay, with the help of those medicines na pinapag-take sa kanya or pain reliever or doon sa kanyang braces, sasabihin lang niya, nandun yung sakit. Tolerable na yung pain because of the therapy, pero nandun yung sakit every time. But, last week, she noticed na ilang araw na, after taking the barley, ilang araw na wala na yung sakit at all. Pinapakiramdaman nga niya baka mamaya, okay, wala lang, lumipas. Third day, fourth day, fifth day, and hindi na siya nagsusuot ng kanyang braces sa balakang. So, I think yung pinaka masasabi namin na naitulong nitong barley, ibsan, or nawala yung pain na nararamdaman ni mother kasi nga, syempre, ang hirap nun, senior citizen ka na, nahihirapan siya maglakad, nahihirapan umupo, nahihirapan humiga, and very thankful lang kami dahil nawala yon simula nung nag-take siya nito. And hopefully, talagang yung kanyang degenerative disease talagang maku-cure or ma-improve nito. And since degenerative disease siya, syempre, sino bang possible na magmana nun? 'Di ba? Pwedeng ako rin, pwedeng yung mga kapatid ko, or pwedeng yung mga anak ko. So, as early as now, we are trying to prevent those kinds of diseases dahil meron din siyang hypertension and ang family namin, merong history ng diabetes. Ako, personally, I have asthma, pero before, as early as August, basta nag-start na mag-ulan-ulan, nagkakaroon na ako ng asthma attack. Kasi seasonal yung asthma ko. Right now, wala. And, yun. Reason ko rin kung bakit ko tinig ito is because I want to to lose weight. Okay? Kasi, it's been a year since I gave birth sa aming pang-apat na anak. And sabi ko, it's time for me to lose weight dahil nga medyo nag-gain ako. And with the help of exercise and hindi ko masabing proper diet kasi wala pa ako sa point na talagang proper ang diet ko. Talagang minsan talaga meron pa rin ako talagang katigasan ng ulo sa kinakain ko. Pero I make sure na ito tinitake ko and nakakapag-exercise na ako. And yun nga, we notice na medyo nag-lose na ako ng weight. Ang aking stomach ay hindi na ganun kalaki. So, unlike before talaga na parang may naiwang bata sa loob ng tiyan ko. So, ayun. I also want to tap on the business side of this one, okay? Disclaimer, hindi ako gumagawa ng business na to. Pero, if you're interested, okay, na gawin itong business na to, whether you want to be a distributor, kasi if you're a distributor, I believe meron kayong discount whenever you order this one, okay? So, I will include I will include the link, okay, and the picture of the distributor that you can contact, or yung FB page na pwede nyong contact him if you want to order or if you want to do the business ng IAM. Okay? Kasi of course, if you're looking for an extra income, or if you're looking for sideline, or if you want to do this full-time, definitely pwede nyong gawin yon. If you're overseas, nanonood ka, don't worry, because pwede mo rin yung gawin. Pwede mong gawin yung business kahit na nasa ibang bansa ka. At pwede ka rin umorder para sa sarili mo. At if you want this one to be delivered sa pamilya mo, or kamag-anak mo, or kaibigan mo dito sa Pilipinas, pwede mo rin gawin yon. And I think that the best person to discuss that with you ay yung pinagbilhan namin ito. If you just want to enjoy the discount that you can get as a distributor. Online yung kanilang seminars, meeting, ganyan. So, yun yung nabanggit sa akin. And I'm encouraging you to try it out. Kung isa FDA approved, halal approved, at certified organic, wala kayong kailangan ikatakot na side effect ng produkto nito, dahil this one is pure powderized barley grass. I hope nakatulong ito, and just check out the description box for more information about this product and about the business if you want to do it. Please share this video to anyone that you care about. Comment lang kayo below on your thoughts about this video and about this product. If you have any tips, ideas, suggestion, please feel free na sulat yan sa comment section. Thank you so much mga kakusina, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Amazing body!